Okay. So as I was mentioning, every result, whatever the searches we provide in a Google, it will give us the results in a three different terms. One is a URL pattern, second is a title pattern, and the third is a text pattern. URL and a title pattern, which are basically a title which is highlighted in blue and URL over here and the text over here. In URL as well, the title pattern, which are structured one, which are most pretty much defined, but where in the text pattern, which is over here, which giving us the results over here, which basically takes a line wherever our keywords are mentioned, like Java, Python, Go, Golang, whatever the keywords, additional keywords which you have mentioned, even Bangalore or Bangalore, wherever those particular keywords are mentioned in the entire text of the page, from there, those particular lines it has been picking up. So these lines could be anywhere. It could be at the bottom of the page. It could be at the middle of the page. It could be anywhere in the page. But what's happening over here is Google is just trying to pick up those particular lines from anywhere in the page and trying to display over here, saying that these results has the keywords which you have mentioned in a search. And that's where this is unstructured kind of a thing, I would say.
So, Shiv, I have a question on here. So, what is the big difference in case, if you are going ahead with URL, like in URL search, any which ways you'll get in-text results as well. What is the use of, specifically mentioning in-text in the Google Street?
In text, I generally never use it because you mention in text, though you mention in text or you do not mention, it's doing the same
anyway,
job.
it will cover. Yeah.
Anyway, it will cover.
URL will cover.
Yeah. So
the same goes with title as well.
So as I mentioned,
the same goes with title as well.
Yeah. I didn't get you.
The same goes with title as well, because if you search with the usage of
URL. No. See, now page title. So there are two different types of titles. Let's say if someone has individual website, okay, they'll mention their website, a title of the website, a name of the website, they'll mention in the title. And some pages, something like if I come to my own page, okay, and if I say edit, these are the web pages. Here it's a headline. I'll just close this. Now I'll just say edit over here. Okay, this is where it's asking me the title. Okay, for some of the pages where such kind of a field is existing, title, though it's not the name of the particular web page, but also under the web page, it's asking me to define the title. Okay. So for those kind of results, that is where the in title is structured one. Now let's say if I say this is one of my blogs. Okay, now here it's coming in a title because for this particular blog, I have titled it as a source go. I've named it as a source go. That's where it's coming in over here. And also I can use it in title source go or in title software engineer or in title software developer. So we'll further come down to that. So let's say now here, a couple of results we have opened, which are not from the Bangalore, but they have earlier stayed in the Bangalore.
Actually, one more question as well. So is this, the search engine is also similar to Naukri as well? Like, it throws the most relevant results in the first two pages, and then, it omits one or two or gives us the best results, something like that?
No, Google and LinkedIn is not like that. Unlike all the use cases are matching, this gives us a result, but wherein unlike Naukri, initial 2-3 pages will have a better result. But once we go for 4th, 5th, 6th page, then some of the words it start excluding. So that is pretty much common with Naukri, but I don't think it's with Monster as well. Monster also is like too specific nowadays. We give a search and it's taking all the use cases. It's taking all the keywords, and if it is not there, it's not giving us the results. Anyone here who is using a recent Monster? Or maybe India or US or any other location? So he was also earlier in a Bangalore. Maybe he would have done his studies or something and then relocated to Noida. And that's where this result is coming.
Yeah, Shiv, I have one question. This is Rohit.
Yeah, Rohit.
So in the Boolean string, can we add like current location Bangalore,
Yeah.
kind of a filter so that we'll get profiles in who are staying in Bangalore? Is
Yes.
it possible?
Yes. I was coming to that. So
Okay.
now if you see, though we have given in our searches Bangalore or Bengaluru, but still it's not taking. There are some results still which are not from the Bangalore or Bengaluru. Like these are the number of results which we have explored. Those are a false positive who were earlier in the Bangalore, but currently they're staying in some other location. So in that case, how do we get a profiles who are based out of Bangalore? Now let's say I'll open a couple of profiles who are based out of Bangalore. Let's say take Bangalore urban, Bengaluru, Bangalore. And that is where our operator now, where is it? Okay. Now this is where we'll take a use of operator around. So let me just come down. Bangalore or Bengaluru around, open the bracket. Let me just go back to the search. Let me see these profiles. Here is a Bangalore word. One word urban, two word Karnataka, three word India, four word 500, fifth word connections. Bengaluru, Karnataka first, India second, 500 third, connection fourth. Bangalore, urban one, Karnataka, India, 500, connection fourth. Okay, so now we are coming down to other than the URL part, other than in URL part, which are the constant term, which is the constant term for the LinkedIn. That's a linkedin.com/in. That's where we have used in URL, which is pretty much constant for across the profiles across the globe. Second constant term for across the profiles on LinkedIn across the globe is something connections. Okay, maybe we see a profiles from US, or maybe we see profile from Netherlands, Germany, across the globe, from whichever the country we are seeing a profile. This connections is something which is again structured one, because this is something individual candidate is not writing, individual candidate is not defining. It's a LinkedIn feature in a backend based on the number of connection this person would have, that would give us 500 plus, and that one particular word connection, or 300, 301 till 500, it will give us an accurate number like 1, 2, 3, 5, or 100, 150, 200. You would have seen number of profiles who do not have many number of connection, but till 500, it's giving us an accurate number of connections that person has. But if it crosses once beyond 500, it's just 500 plus. It might be 5,000, it might be 10,000, it might be 20,000. It just gives us 500 plus. But after that, maybe people who has a less than 500 or more than 500, for them also, whatever one particular term, which is a predefined term of a LinkedIn called connection, remains same. That is something uneditable by individual user. Something like even here also, when I come, there are some of the terms which are uneditable by me. There are some of the terms which are edited. If I say edited, only these terms I can edit. Here also, if I say edit, only what I say, this text box I can edit, but this summary box I cannot edit. If you're viewing my summary, you might see summary and then about. Over there, I did not even mention about, but it's giving me the about over here. So here, if I say, did I mention about? No, I did not mention. It just asked me edit about. That's a summary. Summary is also not editable. Edit about is also not editable. It's just the text under that is something editable. Similarly, this connections is also something which is non-editable. I'm not doing anything. That is basically based on the backend data, number of connections I have. Based on that, LinkedIn is suggesting that 500 plus connection. Now we'll take a use of this particular word connection, and I'll take a use of Bangalore or Bengaluru, which I want to search for. And I'll see in between how many number of word, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is where we are making our search more defined. Around maybe 5. So what does around 5 does? It takes any one word from this particular set, Bangalore or Bengaluru, and I'll say connections. 5 words before or 5 words afterwards, 5 words backwards or 5 words frontwards. We'll give one more example also in this same thing. Let's go through this example first.
Shiv,
Hmm?
I'm so sorry. Can you please repeat this example one more time, please? I'm not able to connect like from where you have been doing this connections and everything, and then you relate to this. So just a quick thing will help me.
Yeah, I'll come.
All right, sure. Thank you.
How do I select this? Come on, yeah.
Shiv, are you not using mouse or something? Because yeah, even I struggle this part
No,
with
I
my.
think I'm yet to
So better to use because this right click wala doesn't work
right
sometimes.
click is
I
definitely
mean,
possible.
it. Ha.
Okay, but what I'm trying to do is like to copy this entire part.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just come here and enter Bangalore or Bengaluru. Around in caps.
No.
Around maybe 5 words, and I'll say connections. Okay. Now again we got 30 results. I'll again search with vomited results. Now to answer your question that you're not able to get what does this around do? Okay. So when we seen over here on all the individual profiles, Bangalore or Bengaluru over here, and after some 3 to 4 words or after some 5 words, we have a word called connections. So what we're trying to do is like around 5. What this operator does, 5 words before or 5 words after. Together, it takes these 2 different words and gives us a result. Maybe in first example, we might not able to understand it clearly, but we'll understand in second example. Let me just come to that. But otherwise, now as soon as
you mean to say there was a 5 words. That's the reason you mentioned around 5. Numeric is 5, right?
Around 5. That is nothing but number of words. Around 5 words. It's not the connection. It's number of words within 5 words.
If suppose there is a 3 word, then you will mention numeric is 3. Around 3, right?
Around 3.
Based upon the words.
Yes, around 3. I'll come to second example and you'll have a better clarity over there. Now, if you see in the first example,
Up to which numerical value we can give maximum as if you write 5 here?
10.
Okay.
Okay. So
Thank
10
you.
words before or 10 words after. What it's doing, it's taking Bangalore or Bengaluru. 5 words before or after, it's giving us a results which has a word connection. So now, if you see now every word, every result is from Bangalore or Bengaluru. Will not have any false positive result. We'll only have from Bangalore or Bengaluru. So I'll open a couple of profiles where the location is not showing. Earlier, we got the results where people are not from the Bangalore, but still those results were popping up. But now in this case, we'll accurately get the accurate results.
Ashiv, one more thing actually I would like to, I'm sorry I'm interrupting you right now.
You have to.
Yeah,
Please
actually the word which you have used, connection over there, right?
Yeah, connection.
So connection, we need to use the 5th word, the last word. Is that so, something like that or not?
No. So connection was a constant term in a LinkedIn.
Okay.
That's the reason we have used that particular connection. And before connection, we had a word called Bangalore or Bengaluru. But before Bangalore or Bengaluru and connection, what is the number of words gap? Like urban 1 word, Karnataka 2 word, India 3 word, dot 4 word, and 500 plus 5th word. So the gap
is also as a word here over there.
I
was taking all these alphabetical things like urban 1, Karnataka 2, India 3, 500 4th. That's it. So dot is also considered as a word over here.
It might take a dot also, yeah. Where there is a space, it might take a dot also as a count. So that's the reason I have taken around 5 words. So within that 5
Okay.
words, Bangalore or Bengaluru and connections.
Okay. And suppose if in this line, if I remove this word connections, okay, and remove this word 500 plus as well. So now, if suppose like around will be 4, right? Because sorry, 3. Around Bangalore, there are 3 words, right?
Okay, let's say
So
500.
I need to write
is not
India
there.
over there.
So let's say
Yeah.
500 is
And
not
connections
there.
are not there.
India is not there. Connections will be there. This is something non-editable. That's a LinkedIn feature.
Okay.
So connections will be there.
Mm-hmm.
Connections and this 500 plus, every profile will have it. That is not a individual feature where the person is editing individually. Like I mentioned, when I went to my individual profile itself, this connections and contact info is non-editable. When I click on this edit,
Yeah,
it's not giving me the option to edit that connection or the number of connections. So that is a non-editable part. And that's the reason that's a constant part in a LinkedIn profile. And that's the reason we are taking a use case of that particular word of a connection to get the more accurate results, because that Bangalore or Bengaluru, within the 5 words, we have a word connection. And that's the reason we could see all the results which we're getting are from Bangalore or Bengaluru. Now we do not have false positive.
Siva, so around is taking as in like nearby that particular city or area, right?
I'll come to second example. You'll have more clarity. So yeah, so this is still a keyword. It's not city or area. Bangalore or Bengaluru is still a keyword, but within number of 5 words: urban 1, Karnataka 2, India 3, dot 4, 149, 5. So within 5 word backward or 5 word frontward. So it's giving us.
Okay. That means Bangalore and connection is constant. Rest we are counting.
Exactly. Now in similar example, let's say. Let me just come back here. Okay, I would not use Bangalore. I would use Hyderabad. So Hyderabad is still a keyword over here. So let's say I'll remove Bangalore now. We'll use Hyderabad around 5 connection. Connections is a constant word in every LinkedIn profile. So now these examples we have seen, though it was not displaying in a first result, they are from Bangalore, but after opening the profiles, we could see they are from Bangalore. Let me close these ones. Let's go for a second example of Hyderabad. I'll keep my profile as it is open so that we know which part is editable and which part is non-editable, and how we can take a use of non-editable parts. Now we have given Hyderabad here. Let me just open. He's an amazing person, in fact, one of my role model. So Hyderabad, everywhere. I'm only opening up profiles which are not showing from Hyderabad in a first glance. But otherwise, the rest of the profiles are showing Hyderabad. Or let's say instead of Hyderabad, we'll come here and use Germany. Okay, so now we have our profiles: Germany. Okay, now this profile is not. Let's complete the Hyderabad examples, then we'll shift to Germany. Okay, now every profile which was not showing in a first glance, Hyderabad, after opening, if you see Hyderabad and connection, 1, 2, 3, within 3 words, we have a connections. Okay, Hyderabad. Let me come back to Germany example. So everywhere it's showing Germany. Let me see where it's not showing, and we'll open only those profiles. Germany, 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 Germany. All right. So yeah, again, she's from Germany. He's from Germany. Again from Germany. Again from Germany. Within 5 words. It's not crossing 5 words. It's within 5 words. This connection word is appearing. So it could be in the second, it could be third, it could be fourth, but maximum within 5. There are some of the terms which might appear here. It goes for a 6 words. But they have mentioned Navi Mumbai, Dadar, then Maharashtra, everything is coming. Then finally going for a connection is coming in a 6th word. So that's reason we might use 5 or 6 is up to the max for LinkedIn, what I experienced till now. But otherwise, if you see within 5 keywords, we have both the terms, location, Germany as a keyword, and the connections. And that's where we are getting a more accurate profile only from that particular location, not getting a false positive result. Now, second use case, I'll come again. Let's say same thing we are using Hyderabad connection now. So this is the first use case which is giving us a profiles from Hyderabad, because this use case is matching first keyword around 5 keywords, around 5 words which are frontward or backward having a word connection. Now second command we are giving, let's say women's or woman or girls or girls. Women or girls or girls. Or lady.
You can write female.
Female, you can write it.
Yeah. Female.
You can also write she, her.
BALIKA, Balika. Some of the girls' school name in regional languages like Balika, school for Balika, some kind of a words. Akhil Bharati Vidya, no.
You can use Mahila.
Mahila, yes. Mahila. Okay.
She, her, hers.
Huh?
She, her, hers.
No, I will not use that in this case. Around now. Maybe I'll go for around 6, 7, let's say 7. Now, any one word? School.
Shiv, can you share the string in chat box?
Yes, I'll do that. So school, college, university, education, academy. Hostel. Community.
Institute.
Sanghatna. Sanghat, Mahila Sanghat, SANGHAT. Mahila, HAT, Mahila. Why it is not coming?
Sanstha.
Sanstham. Sanstham. Sanstha. Sans, SANSHTHA. Sanstha. Institute. Okay, school, college, university, education, academy, hostel, community, Sanghat, Sanstham, Sanstha, institute, academy. Now we'll have a more clear example, but how to copy this? Come on, go.
Shift with the select arrow keys. Can you try
What?
Drag on your touch.
select and arrow keys? Arrow keys like left arrow, right arrow, the select. Like on Windows we used to do. Will that?
No, drag onto your touchpad over the all the word, whatever you want to select. From the click the arrow where near to academy, last word.
Okay.
Academy is there, right? Click there and drag it. Touchpad through your touchpad. No, don't click. Your touchpad is working on your space bar. Here on your monitor. Just drag it.
No, just a second. Let me just try.
Right click, left click will not help for this on Mac. You have to drag on your touch bar.
With one finger or with 2 fingers or 3 fingers?
One finger only.
Shiva, the institute spelling is wrong. And academy.
Now you can do Command C.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, Shiva, one more thing, Shiva. Institute spelling is wrong and academy we already mentioned in the above.
Okay, academy.
Yeah, it is.
Again, it will filter,
it is twice.
Institute. Okay. Wow, super. Thank you.
Yeah. Control Command C.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now we'll come to new search. Okay, woman or woman's. So this I'll correct it here. I'll tell you on a later point of time what's the difference between using colon in Word and using colon in Notepad. In Word, when we use, if you see somewhere this colon has gone wrong, but the exact format of colon is this one, which you could see in my screen. And that format, we can find it only on a Notepad, not on a Word. Okay, now enter. Okay, now if we see, let me. Okay, now if we see within that 7 words, first of all, most of the profiles, what we got is diversity. 99% of the profile we got is a diversity. And words within 7-word backward or 7-word front words. Okay, around 7 when we have used. So any one word from this set. Any one word from this set, women's, women, girl, girls, ladies, female, balia, or maybe a balika, we can use it. Okay, any one word from this particular set, around 7, before 7 words or after 7 words, any one word from this set within 7 words, before or after 7 words, has a word school, college, university, or education, or academy, or hostel, or community, or sanghat, or sanstha, or institute. Now, if you see here, girls high school, if we open this also, there might be somewhere. Let's open this one now. Okay. Samstam Cummins College College of Engineering for women. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There might be sixth or seventh word also, but if within 7 word, this woman has come. University for women. So let me open this profile where it's not displaying. But otherwise, if you see, all the profiles are now diversity ones. Okay, College of Engineering for women. College for women. So within 7 words, it could be within 1 word, 2 word, 3 word, 4 word, but maximum it goes for 7 words. College of Engineering for women. Okay, College of Engineering and Technology for women. College of Engineering and Technology for women. Ranjana Ilango.
Ashif.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, like in this algorithm, are you taking any word like constant?
It could be
Any
any
constant
word
word in
from the
this?
set 1.
Mhm.
It could be any one word from the set 1 and any one word from the set 2. So if I say
Okay.
this is my set 1 and this is my set 2, it could be any one word from the set 1 and along with any one word from the set 2, which are around 7 words before or 7 words afterwards.
Okay, so that means like you're saying, suppose if it has picked up the word woman, okay, the second word of your first string, right?
It
Before,
could take,
yeah,
it
right?
could take women's, it could take women, it could
Women.
take girls, it could take girls, because
Girls.
this is or.
Okay.
Any one word from
Yeah,
this.
yeah,
Women or
I
women.
know that.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Any one
So
word
that
from
means,
that. Yeah.
okay. And that means the woman is constant in this algorithm, and in the second string, it's college, either it can be college, university, or education. All these things can be constant, right?
No, I didn't get you. See, woman is not constant. It could take women,
Okay.
it could take girls,
Mhm.
it could take ladies, it could take female, it could take balika, it could take mahila.
Okay.
It could take
You mean to
any one word it could take. The way from
anyone?
here, it's taking software engineer or software developer along with Java
Okay.
or Python or Go or Golang. Similarly,
Mm.
here also, it would take any one word from this set
Okay.
and any one word
Okay.
from this set.
Shiv, it would be very helpful if you can read the entire string so that people will understand what exactly that the string that they are giving to clear the confusion. Like if you can read, software engineer or software developer and Java or Python or Go
Okay.
kind of.
So now let's say what this particular command is doing. Let me just come here.
What exactly that we are commanding to this, search that, like, the search engine, what is that we are giving? If you can read it out, then I think
Sure.
that will clear the
So the
confusion.
first command which we have given, which would search for software engineer or software developer, there was no title, and Java or Python or Go or Golang, and Bangalore or Bengaluru, and which has a URL linkedin.com/in. Second search, what we have done, now we have further modified it and nerd it so that we wanted a particularly candidates from Bangalore or Bengaluru. That's where now we have given a second string where it says the URL format of the profiles is like in URL linkedin.com /in. And also we have given software engineer or software developer. That's where it's giving us the results of from linkedin.com, all the individual profiles because of this in URL linkedin.com /in, and also has a title software engineer or software developer, and maybe one or the other skills which has a Java or Python or Golang or Go, and people who would have written Bangalore or Bengaluru, and around 5 connections. The reason because we identified the connection is something non-editable part, and across the globe every profile has a word that connection, but before 4 to 5 words of the connection we had a locations. That where we used various examples. Instead of Bangalore we used Germany also, and it was giving us a profiles only from Germany. Control C. Okay, So we also seen instead of Bangalore, we have seen with Hyderabad and gone with Germany. So it's again started giving us profiles from Germany. The reason because before connections, there was the word Germany within 5 words. Then again, we further modified our search where we had people which has a URL linkedin.com/in and also has a title software engineer or software developer, and one or the other skills Java or Python or Go or Golang. And Hyderabad again around 5 words has a word connection. That's where we got all the profiles from Hyderabad. And now final command we are also giving to Google saying that I also want an additional profiles which has a words like women's or women or girls or ladies or female or balia or mahila or balika, and within around 7 words of a set, this one women or women's or girls or ladies or female or balika or mahila or balia, within the 7 words frontward or backward has a word school or college or university or education or academy or hostel or community or sangat or sanstham or sanstha or institute. And that's where we see we got such results. Okay, now we are opening up a profiles.